Hi, my name is Matt, and this story happened when I was 12 years old. Like many kids my age, I couldn't wait for Christmas. The prospect of getting a new Sega Genesis gaming system was deep in my thoughts. However, my sister Emma was the center of attention that year. A radiant teenager with a charm that captivated all who knew her. However, her happiness was marred by a tumultuous relationship with a boy named Jacob. He was a constant presence, an ominous shadow that clung to Emma's every move. I couldn't shake the feeling that something was off about him, an unsettling obsession that made my skin crawl. My folks seemed to loathe the very mention of Jacob, and I could often hear my father and sister arguing about him downstairs. Months passed, and the relationship between Emma and Jacob reached its breaking point. On Christmas Eve, tensions boiled over, and Emma finally severed ties with her possessive boyfriend. The air in our home grew heavy with relief, but an unspoken fear lingered in the atmosphere, as if the echoes of Jacob's obsession refused to fade away. That night, as we gathered around the tree, the festive ambiance was tinged with a sense of unease. As I glanced out the window, I noticed a small gift bag on the doorstep, an unexpected addition to our holiday bounty. Drawn by curiosity and perhaps a lingering sympathy for Jacob, I brought the mysterious gift inside. Under the dim glow of Christmas lights, I unpacked the gift bag, revealing a small, nondescript box. The weight of it seemed inconsequential, but I felt that the contents inside might give Jacob and my sister some sort of friendly closure to their relationship. In a misguided attempt to console the broken-hearted Jacob, I placed the gift beneath the tree, hoping to bring some solace to a troubled soul. The following morning arrived with the excitement of unwrapping presents and exchanging joy. Emma's eyes sparkled with anticipation as she reached for the modest box that appeared mysteriously overnight. A fleeting moment of hope flickered across her face, expecting perhaps a piece of jewelry or a sentimental trinket. Her hands trembled as she opened the box, only for hope to morph into sheer horror. The room fell into a stunned silence as Emma gazed upon the gruesome spectacle. A severed ring finger, adorned with the ring Jacob had once given her. The air grew thick with shock and disbelief as the realization of the grotesque gift unfolded before us. The atmosphere, once filled with warmth of family and celebration, turned icy with terror. The specter of Jacob's obsession had not only lingered, but had manifested in a chilling act of self-mutilation. The memory of that Christmas would forever be etched in our minds, a harrowing reminder that sometimes, even in the season of joy, darkness can cast its shadow over the most cherished moments of our lives.